Hey guys. All right, so the way that you are going to do your forearm pass, which is your bump, or your set. Okay, so again, try to find a ball that's light. I have this from I think I got it from maybe the dollar store or Five Below, but it's a softer, it's like just a plastic softball. Um, so the first thing we're going to do before we actually even hold our ball is we're going to get our hands right, okay? We're going to do our hands correctly. And remember, the picture of all of this is on the PowerPoint, okay? So first we're going to do a bump or the forearm pass. So what you want to do is I'm going to kind of put this down. All right, don't mind the paint on my sweatshirt. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is you get your arms out like this, okay? So they're about even. All right, and then you're going to make a fist with one of your hands and you're going to put your thumb out just like that. Then you're going to take your other hand and you're going to grip your fist and you're going to stick your thumbs together just like this, okay? Not like this. All right, fist, thumb out, other fist, grabbing it, and thumbs together. That's what the bump or the forearm pass looks like with your arms. Now, you don't bend your elbows, you keep them straight. And when you hit the ball, you just want to press up just like this. That's it. You don't want to swing it over your head, okay? You just want to press up and the ball should hit right off of your arm, okay? Just like that. So today, what you're going to do is, it's going to be hard because you kind of have to self-toss it unless somebody's there to help you, okay? But you're going to toss it up and you're going to try to bump it right up in the air and catch it back to you. That's your first step. So you're going to toss it, bump, and catch. Toss it, toss it, bump, and catch. Toss it, bump, and catch. Okay, that's your bump, okay? The set is a little bit different. That is going to be where it's above your head. So before you use your ball, you're going to bend your arms kind of by your ears. You're going to have your hands up, kind of like a triangle. Okay, and you're going to push the ball straight up. Now, when I do it, I'm not going to do it with the palms of my hands. I'm going to do it more with my fingers. So it's this motion, and all you're doing is pushing the ball up to the sky, okay? So when I do it with my ball, I have my ball, okay? I'm going to take it, and I'm just going to push my ball up and catch. I push it, and I catch it. And I'm using my fingertips. I'm not using the center. I'm not using my palm. I'm using my fingertips. Okay, so then when I get good, I can try to do it a couple of times without dropping it. Okay, the same with the bump. Once you get good, you can try to bump it a couple times and see how many you can get. Okay, so again, the bump or the forearm pass, arm straight. Okay, grip your one fist in the other and keep your thumbs just like this, and it's an upward motion. And then the set is where you're going to take your fingertips and you're going to push up with the ball and you're going to get it straight in the air. Okay, so enjoy, have fun with this. If you don't have a ball, then just go through the motions. Okay, so you can do what I was doing with your hands for the bump and with the set, and you can get really good at going through the motions. Okay, if you have any questions, email Mrs. Fisher. Otherwise, have fun, and I will talk to you soon.